Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, let's create an informative tutorial on CUDA Python and PyCUDA, highlighting the differences between them with code examples. CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, is a parallel computing platform and application programming interface model created by Nvidia. It allows developers to use Nvidia GPUs for general-purpose processing, GPU. In the Python ecosystem, there are two primary libraries for GPU programming using CUDA, CUDA Python and PyCUDA. CUDA Python is an extension of Python that enables GPU programming using Nvidia GPUs. It provides a simple way to write parallel code that runs on the GPU, taking advantage of the massive parallelism offered by GPUs. PyCUDA is a Python library that provides access to the CUDA API. It allows Python developers to write CUDA programs directly using Python syntax. PyCUDA provides a more low-level and fine-grained control over the GPU compared to CUDA Python. Before we start, make sure you have the necessary dependencies installed. Let's start with a simple example using CUDA Python. In this example, we'll write a kernel function to add two arrays on the GPU.